And good morning from the next day, and welcome to a winter wonderland in Ilulissat Greenland. It snowed overnight, August 30th, 2024, and we've woken up on the final day of August to an absolute beautiful scene here. So we're going to go out for a walk and make the most of this sunshine and try and explore the town a little bit, because you may have seen that Greenland has got all these incredibly colorful houses, similar to like Newfoundland in Canada or other Arctic communities, and it just makes for really photogenic buildings. So with this kind of weather, you know, Brennan's just there in the background getting a great shot of this this red sort of what is it, like a wooden house, and some of these are really old too, especially down by the harbor. So gonna do a bit of a walk and possibly even get in the water, because you guys know I love a good ice bath, and this is perfect ice bath conditions. Oh, I'm actually numb though. Hands are absolutely freezing cold. August 31st, 2024. Let's go, baby. Travel photography. Let's go. We're out of the ice bath. These guys did a phenomenal job.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, Brendan's saying yes, I did, but he didn't go in. He was our timekeeper, and that was really, really cool. Swimming in the Arctic Ocean for the first time in August 31st. So really unique experience here in Greenland. And then we just had a beautiful like stretch of sunshine. Here comes a motorbike. Right in time for the vlog. We had a beautiful stretch of sunshine, and we went for a walk along that yellow trail, and it's just perfect for hiking here around Ilulissat, and beautiful conditions. So I got the drone up in the air, and this is like deserves a video all on its own. Just stunning, stunning, stunning landscape, and incredible from the drone, and it's really not that far from the trail. So beautiful, beautiful experience this afternoon, and now we're gonna head on the boat. So getting on a boat, heading into Disko Bay for what is usually the most popular thing to do here, is to get on the water to get close up to the icebergs. So we got some pretty nice light. I think it's gonna be really cool. So next up, boat trip in Disko Bay. We're on the water, and we have found the famous red sails of Ilulissat, which we were just told by our captain that they are Russian and Ukrainians that come here in the summertime and operate these amazing sailboats. And it costs quite a pretty penny, I believe, to be on them. And we're not on them. We are taking photos of them because we have no money. And our Greenland tours aren't that expensive. But no, in other news, we're really happy to see them, to be honest, because they make such a beautiful subject. Just an absolutely stunning color against the ice and the water. And then with this beautiful soft light behind me, it's just a beautiful, beautiful photograph. So huge bonus, was not expecting to see the red sails this close, especially from the water. You guys are in for a big treat, because we are able to fly the drone from this boat. And I think maybe even get some drone footage of these red sails. And how about that for a slow burn sunset? What a treat. That drone footage is out of this world. We've got the boat to act as a subject, and the calm water, no wind. It's probably like maybe 1 or 2 degrees right now Celsius, and just perfect conditions. The sun has been setting for like an hour and a half. It's just past 10 p.m. now, and this is absolutely fantastic. So I hope you've enjoyed this footage and this video. If you're coming to Ilulissat, or if you're just interested in Greenland, this part of Western Greenland is phenomenal, and you definitely want to spend a couple days here around the area of Disko Bay and the town of Ilulissat. There's great hiking to be done, obviously incredible landscape photography with a telephoto especially, and a drone if you've got one, and then out on the water in a boat, kayaking, whale watching, you know, in the area of Disko Bay, you're in for a treat because it is phenomenal. So we are gonna call this one because tomorrow we're heading to Sisimiut, which is another town in Western Greenland. So you've got lots to look forward to there. So I'll see you in the next video where we'll be exploring Sisimiut in Greenland.